Okay, so I'm going to show you guys something cool. Well, at least I think it's cool. You might not, but oh well. So here's my rock collection, and this beautiful little thing is in fact not any old rock. It's in fact a piece of lava from a volcano from Tenerife. So I actually think that's rather cool. It's from my granddad. It's from top of the volcano in Tenerife. So it's a piece of lava. Oh, what does that? So I think that's pretty cool. So there's a piece of lava for you. And that's pretty awesome. So thanks for watching.